spent more time watching movies, and like we got to know each other more that we didn't like previous years when we were friends. But when we bonded over these like movie shows and stuff, and like we started talking and stuff like that, I think that's when I got the feeling. And you know, I slowly started getting this thing that, you know, he's actually like ticking all the boxes on my, you know, list. What is, I mean, and I was like, oh my god. And it just hit. That is how it happened.
We've been friends for a very long time, almost around 10 years now. So this was in junior college. So we were friends since that time. And I mean, we were not in touch for like 2 years. And then after that, you know, everything just happened. We didn't realize what was happening. It was not actually like one person asking the other one out. It was pretty implied by the time. So then one fine day we just decided to have a conversation, and everything went well and we're here together.
Yes,
My mom was asking me to see a few girls, and then eventually I had to tell her.
So he told his mom first, and actually we were just waiting for them to ask us. That was the thing. If they ask, it's better. It's easier for us to just say yes. Okay, we are looking like we are together. But he told his mom, and my mom asked me one day. He's like, "Why don't you go see a boy?" I'm like, "No, I don't want to see anyone." And that's how it happened. And then both the parents spoke.
याद आएंगे मुझे बाबुल तेरी गलियां, याद आएंगे मुझे बाबुल तेरी गलियां, वो बचपन की बातें तेरे बागों की कलियां, याद आएंगे मुझे बाबुल तेरी गलियां, याद आएंगे मुझे बाबुल तेरी गलियां, वो बचपन की बातें तेरे बागों की कलियां, याद आएंगे मुझे बाबुल तेरी गलियां.
See, I'll be lonely, I'll miss her, but Yash तो उसको means he takes us as a family, so he'll be getting her anytime if I feel lonely or Bharat is like feeling very lonely, so they are nearby. So like I'm very happy that he cares for her very much.
Very like has good values, like what I like from what values I have grown up with. I would expect us like my partner to have those values, like we are like partners or like so I found a friend in him, which is like the most important thing, like for communication, for anything. He's a very good listener. He listens to me like because I'm talking 24/7.
हाथों में मेहंदी महके महके ये गजरा, छन छन ये चूड़ी बोले चमके तेरा झुमका, हो हाथों में मेहंदी महके महके ये गजरा, छन छन ये चूड़ी बोले चमके तेरा झुमका, देखो आते हैं सजन जी अब ना लागे मन जी, मैं राहों में पलके बिछा दूं, हाँ मेरे दिल की धड़कन बोले मन खाए यूं हिचकोले, चंदा तारों से घर को सजा दूं, हो बत्ती बाल के बने रे उत्ते रखनिया, बत्ती बाल के बने रे उत्ते रखनिया, मेरे ढोल दिया रामा मैं तकनिया, बत्ती बाल के बने रे उत्ते रखनिया.
She's blended into family, how she's gelled with my cousins. So us cousins, we go out a lot. Like all of us, we keep meeting and all, and she was just right there, and it was all like normal. Just like she's been in a part of her family for the past few years. Yeah, so that was something which I liked a lot.
सैया को देखूं मैं तो घूंघट की ओर से, उनके संग चलती जाऊं बंध गई एक डोर से, सैया को देखूं मैं तो घूंघट की ओर से, उनके संग चलती जाऊं बंध गई एक डोर से, बन के पतंग उड़ जाऊं प्यार की गलियां मुड़ जाऊं, बन के पतंग उड़ जाऊं प्यार की गलियां मुड़ जाऊं, पंछी है हम एक ही डाल के,
very supportive and very extremely caring. Like, I don't have to say, and like he'll just do it. I don't have to say, like, utter a word from my mouth. And sometimes there are things that I don't realize that I need, but he knows it. Like, he knows it. He just knows things.
उडियो रे उडियो डेडो जा उडियो रे उडियो डेडो जा जाव रे ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो सुवट्टियो मारी प्यारी धन रोबी सुवट्टियो मारी प्यारी धन रोबीर बीर रे ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो.
Today, if his dad would be, the situation of the wedding and everything would be different. अभी भी सब लोग कर रहे हैं, and even I have become very strong for my sons. कि they shouldn't feel कि dad, they shouldn't miss him. So I'm playing both the role for them, mom and dad.
जो दाने जावो तो सुवायू की जोरे सुवायू की जोरे सुवायू की जो दाने जावो तो सुवायू की जोरे सुवायू की जो प्यारी दन में लहरिया रोचा प्यारी दन में लहरिया रोचा चाव रे ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो मारो सुवट्टियो. हे बिकाने जावो तो सुवायू की जोरे सुवायू की जोरे सुवायू की जोरे रे सुवायू की जो प्यारी धन ने बिछिया रोचा प्यारी धन ने बिछिया रोचा चाव रे ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो उडियो रे उडियो डेडो जाव रे उडियो रे उडियो डेडो जाव रे ओ मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो रे मारो सुवट्टियो.
I am planning for a surprise and I really want to see how the reaction is because I've never danced before, let alone in front of like 500 people, but I have actually never danced solo in a very, very long time, say maybe 15 years or so. So I think she should like the surprise.
When I'm looking back on my life, running, but I just don't know why. Painting a picture that I can't see, this falling from grace got me on my knees. Oh, just looking for some meaning. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I wanna make a difference. She said, don't you cry, your heart won't lie, but the clock is ticking still. Velvet sky, I gotta make a difference. thoughts turn red, crushing my beliefs. Can't escape, so I just push forward, tugging on these chains. Frozen state, living inside this hurt. Sometimes life is pain. Velvet sky, I don't think I can do this. But before I die, I wanna make a difference. She said, don't you cry, your heart won't lie, but the clock is ticking still. The velvet sky, I gotta make a difference. Velvet
And he's very fun loving. Like, even though I'm in like a very odd, bad mood, but he'll always lift up my mood. He'll always be like, if I'm at home and he's like, what are you doing? Like, just get down. He will not ask me questions. He like, just get down. I'm coming right now. That is his thing. I mean, like, wherever I am, he'll be there. Like, even if I'm just like sad, even if it's Lonavala, anywhere, he'll like, just get down. I'm coming. I'm coming to get you. It's just that.
ये आपने क्या लिखा है? कलम उधर ठीक है।
Smile, Driva.
I don't know, I'm just feeling love. There's a lot of sadness. Because I'm leaving the house and it's getting to me. And like every single day, every person is reminding me, oh my God, only 9 days to go, 8 days to go. And I'm like, this is a lot to take. But yeah, I'm very excited to, like finally start this, this new phase with Yash, and it's just very overwhelming.
इंदिया लगाती तो कांपती थी पलकें मायरी, चुन्निया सजा के वो रीति वादे करके मायरी, मेरे हाथों
Yash, there's something for you. Parcel. You have to open it and check it out.
Hey love, I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. Clap. I hope this ticket doesn't make me pay more. I just hope things are good for us and best of the wishes for you and thank you so much. I wish to give this to you right now.
दुनिया पर आई छोड़ के आजा झूठे सारे नाते
आवाज आ रहा है चलने का, इसका इतना बड़ा लहंगा है.
सरप्राइज आ गया.
उड़ गई मेरा प्यार माए बस लगे महीने चार माए रे याद वो आए रे अब क्या करूं कैसे कहूं हे माए रे अब क्या करूं कैसे कहूं हे माए रे.
As of now, I am pretty nervous. You know, now there's like hardly 10-12 days left for the wedding, and now it is, coming in and everything's coming together. Things are happening in the house. There are 30-40 people in the house at a time, and then everybody goes and everything is pretty silent. So I'm still not getting a grip of what is happening. I'm sure I won't even get till the end of the wedding, but I am pretty excited to see how things go.
यश भी कभी बड़ा हो गया है, लगता नहीं है कि भी अभी उसकी शादी की उम्र आ गई है. एक्चुअली अच्छी लाइफ पार्टनर मिल रही है उसको भी, तो हम उसको शादी की बहुत बहुत बधाई है उसको और उनका फ्यूचर, यानी दोनों का प्रेम आपस में ऐसे ही बना रहे, बस यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं.
Just like to tell them that I am there. No matter, doesn't matter that I'm the youngest. I'm still there for y'all, whatever y'all want in life, and I just hope for the best.
So then, like I've had a few friends get married, and the Bharat was the most exciting and the most, energy-packed thing. So I'm looking forward to my own Bharat because I know my friends are a bunch of mad men, so they are going to enjoy a lot, and it only happens once, so let's hope everybody's going to go all out.
तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो
Varmala, we're gonna keep it simple. I just want both of us to, walk and come down and then do the Varmala, because I don't want a lot of people around us. It should be pretty simple and it should be just us. So that is how that is something we'll remember.
I'm mostly like looking forward to like the feeling of once like the Varmala happens, and I'm finally going to be able to call him mine. That feeling, that it's going to be surreal, I'm sure, and it's going to be very magical, and I'm waiting for that.
हमराओं मेरे आ चले हम आसमां की राहों में, सोबतें जो संग हो तेरी, रोशन रहे निगाहें मेरी। हर पल यूं मैं तक दी माहिंदे ही ख्वाब, जे यूं फिर सुकून मिले तेरी सुन के इस दरिया के संग में बहनूं, थाम तो लेंगे किनारों पे, इस जहां को मैं ये कह दूं, है बस तू इरादा में माही, महरम तू मेरा,
I think I'm going to miss everything. There's no one thing that I'm not going to miss about. Be it my parents, my siblings, my house, like everything. I think that's it.
My blessings and full house's blessings are on her, on Yash and their family. Always we wish good for them.
Wish them a very good luck and a very happy marriage.
Love is basically, to be able to let go of everything, but to still be with some person. And I think Twinkle has been that person for me. She's been a very, very strong support, and I call her my rock. So she's my rock.
यश आज तो आना ही पड़ेगा bro. अरे एक मिनट रुको, आज तो आना ही पड़ेगा. अरे इतने में तो फोटो खींच लेते थे. साथ में लो, साथ में लो. अरे हम तो साथ में लेना पड़ेगा.